The mod showed up at my house right in the afternoon. I think it was 12 o'clock. It said it was going to be here by 8 p.m., but it actually showed up at 12 p.m., which is actually pretty awesome. So I'm unfortunately not going to be installing it today because I'm going to be dropping the truck off like I said, but as soon as I get back, then we'll start up the mod for the truck. So it's going to be something crazy, and you guys are definitely going to like it, trust me. It's going to add some power, sound, all that jazz. And yeah, so that's awesome that it showed up so fast. 2-day shipping, right on time. That's great. I usually never do that fast of shipping. So, and it's, I don't know, I really didn't expect it to work out that way, but it did. Oh, Camaro. Damn, should have went to Andy for his mods because, I don't know, broke down. Oh, check it out. Nice GMC. Still got some miles to we're now in 717 Zeal 1 territory, if you catch my drift. Why would someone drive something like that in this road solid roads? Guess they love their Mustang so much, because it's gonna chew it up pretty fast. American Pie. There it is, right up there. You can notice by all the cars and trucks and everything out there. I think we got a sign right here. I've actually never been here before. Performance Diesel Warehouse. Yep, that's the place. I just got to turn on this road, and wow, it literally is in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Got a Ford. Big tractor. Holy crap, look at that Cummins. And then there's two Cummins here. One's got stacks, and that one's got some sick wheels on. Nice 4th gen. I'm not really sure on where to park. I don't know if I should park in the grass. Oh, look at that back there. That's a nice Cummins there as well. Nice power stroke. Yeah, I'm gonna just turn around back here. Look at that Jeep. Old tractor right there. All right, so I'm gonna turn around right here. I've got a bucket on the tractor stack. That's how it's done. Those stacks, dude. And then that 4th gen. Damn, that thing is sick. So let me know if I should get some stacks. You can tell it's at least the 13 because of the new badging, but yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna park right here and see if that's fine. Performance Diesel Warehouse. Alright guys, just walked out, dropped everything off, everything's good to go. And I should be able to pick up the truck probably sometime tomorrow. I'm just gonna grab my stuff out of here. Yeah, now I'm just gonna wait on my ride. But yeah, I know I've had it for a couple months now, but still, I'd still say it's pretty new to me compared to the Silverado. I've had the Silverado for about 3 years now. Black wheels on the truck, it looks so good. Look at that, man. The road salt is destroying the Cummins. Damn, look at that, man. Got the stack 2nd gen back there, right in front of my truck. Oh yeah. I put my thumb out if I had an extra hand, but I guess all that's left to do now is just walk home. It's gonna be a couple hours, guys, but stay tuned. On the dusty trail, and here's the sign. General diesel service and repair on all makes and models, performance installation, F1 injectors, Smarty tuners, MBRP exhaust, fat shaft turbos, HTT turbos, South Bend clutches, banks, ATS, AFE filters, EDG products, and much more. We're back on the road today. We were in the Silverado, and yeah, pretty cool shop they got going on there. We're trying to convince Mike to put on Street Speed 717 to put on one of those twin turbo kits onto his Duramax, but that's not going to happen until he gets the other truck, which could be the Raptor. So we got a couple things we got to do. I thought the battery was going to fix the issue, but that's not the case. So we have a big problem to fix today. It's going to be a lot of rigging, a lot of rigging, but hopefully it'll work out, because otherwise I'm going to be down a couple $100. We got it, guys. We got it. We got 30 more energy drinks. Yes. Huge addiction. I've only drinking a couple of them so far. V8 energy drinks, lemonade flavor. Oh my gosh, I got the rest of the stock. I don't know if they'll ever have more again, so I had to buy a lot more. And now I definitely have a couple months supply now, so this is great. Now I gotta load them up into the truck, and I don't have a box this time, so that's Man, gee williker, gets pretty cool outside. Remember I said before how I always park far away? I didn't park far away this time because it didn't seem like there was too many people. Well, now, got a car on this side, watched her pull up, and we got a car on that side, and I saw the guy walking in the store. This is horrible, and this is exactly why I do not park close, because of these reasons, and eventually you're gonna get hit. And luckily, I've not been hit by the door of someone opening it. Well, actually, yes, I have, but it wasn't hard and didn't do anything. This could cause an issue if I kept trying to do it, so it's not good. And it's better to walk, get that exercise, you know? So I'm not gonna, So we gotta head southwest a little bit to a new store. Usually I don't go here very often, so it's gonna be pretty crazy. I cannot make any sudden stops. Those cans are gonna go flying. Stocks, bro. That might have been the guy that always drove to my high school with the stacked Power Stroke, and we'd always tell him to just rev it on up, and he'd always do it and blow smoke. Pretty cool. Oh no! There's a rainbow up there.
Shout out to him for getting
What
his
the?
starting the Walk of Fame.
Oh shit. There he is, Power Stroke with the stacks. Bitch, move out of the way. Oh my gosh, no. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna handle this on another day because, well, I realized that it's 4 o'clock, so it's probably gonna be 5 o'clock at the time I get out of there, and then I'm gonna be stuck in traffic for hours. I'm not trying to do that to the truck. Time doesn't really matter, but I'm not trying to hurt the truck, and you guys probably understand what I'm talking about. Here, whatever you want to call it, the park off by the bridge, I guess. I don't know what to really call it, but the Cummins should be ready tomorrow. I'm not really sure on what time. So the truck should be ready tomorrow. I'm going to keep you updated, and we're going to handle the problem that I wanted to handle today on another day. So we got a lot of stuff going on here, but of course we're going to get it done. I'm going to film it all, show you guys, bring you guys along to wherever I go, of course. I've filmed just about every day now, so that's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until then, take it easy.